This is the wheelchair lift at Woodland Hall at Chatham University in Shadyside campus, Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Garaventa Genesis newly installed. Let's go down. Certificate. This thing is newly installed. Not too long ago. Ooh, it's gonna be really noisy going up, I can tell you that. This is newer than the one in the chapel. In fact, this was not here last year, actually. Here, down. Here's the downstairs. The door should open. Opens really smoothly. That was the door operator. Oh, the up button closes the door. Nice. Case fire. Elevators are out of service. There's a sign. We go up. This is just a basic wheelchair lift. It's very purple, probably because that's Chatham's colors. I'm not worried about getting busted because the information desk is closed. Green light, emergency stop switch. Fortunately, the door up here is not automatic. Unfortunate. Watch the door close. I don't want it to slam. And that's going to be it.